In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in CapCut. So what you can do is go ahead and open CapCut and choose a project that you want to add voiceover to. So once you have your video, make sure the video is on mute just in case you do have audio on that file. And then go ahead and click Add Audio right below. What we can do here is scroll over to where it says Record. And then you're going to get an option for your record button. Now, before you do that, you can actually keep scrolling through and pick a spot where you want your audio to start recording. So once you have a spot, go ahead and hit the blue button. It'll count down for you. And then from here, you can go ahead and add your voiceover where you picked your spot on the video. You can keep talking, do whatever you need to do. And then once you're finished, go ahead and hit the blue button once again, and it'll stop there. You have some options here to delete your audio, enhance the voice, or do some audio effects, or just hit the blue check mark and just accept for what it is. So we're just going to do that. And then here you have it. You have your audio underneath your video where you pick the spot at. And if you have some dead quiet spots, you can actually go ahead and trim those out. So what we can do is go ahead and click the selection, go ahead and click your audio, and then go ahead and hit split, and then pick another spot. I'm just going to go here and hit split again, and then go ahead and choose that selection that you made, and you can delete all of those empty spots where you weren't talking so your voiceover doesn't sound a little strange with some quiet moments here. So that is how you would go about adding voiceover to your projects in CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.